So I'm telling you the first story of the Bible, actually what happened in this world. Okay, so God, before creating humans, he created angels. Okay, and then he made the heaven and the earth. Okay, and then this earth and heaven were actually one at that time, and God, angels were living in this earth which we are living right now. At that time angels were living. So before God created us, God actually created the angels. And then God created the angels, and they were like having wings and having superpowers. They are actually, God created them to worship God. That's all their duty was. So before creating we humans, God created the angels. That's what the first story of the Bible says, and that's actually what really happened in this universe. So God made the angels, and in that angels there were three teams, like this military force. How we have land, navy, and air, like that. Three groups of angels were there. In that one group of angel was led by the captain angel called Lucifer, and the other two angel teams are there. No, they were led by Gabriel and Michael. So in this group of angels, there were actually three teams. So one team was led by Lucifer, and the other two teams were led by Gabriel and Michael. So in the angels only, there were three groups, and this Lucifer was actually, he was a lead musician. Okay, his duty was to lead all the other angels who were worshipping God in music. He was something like lead guitarist, something like that, leading all the other angels with music. It was his duty. So he was actually, Lucifer was number two in power in the universe. If God was number one, then Lucifer was number two. So like that, he was created with so much power, and with the costly stones, precious stones like gold, diamond. He was made so beautifully with superpower. Okay, and you can imagine angels now. They have wings, and they have superpowers, like they can move in the speed of light, something. So God created the angels before humans. Okay, and so before creating us humans, God created actually the angels. So in that angels there were three groups. Okay, one team was led by Lucifer, and the other two teams were led by Michael and Gabriel. So this Lucifer was leading the angel group in worship. Okay, he was like lead guitarist. A musical instruments was fitted into his body, and when he was flapping his wings, beautiful music would come, like that combination of guitar, keyboard, drums, all like how we listen now, like that. His body only was made of musical instruments, different, and when he flapped his wings, beautiful music would come. So his duty was to lead the other angels who were worshipping God in music. He was something like DJ, some lead guitarist, something like that. So he was number two in power. He was like an assistant of God. Okay, and then he thought, he was seeing God sitting in that throne in that high mountain. Okay, in that high mountain, above that there was throne of God, and God was sitting there and ruling all the universe, heaven and earth all together. And he was assistant of God, and he was so close to it. He was not allowed to climb the mountain, but he used to see God sitting there and ruling the entire universe. Like that, his desire also came. I am number two in power. Why shouldn't I be number one? So he thought to, that desire came. I'm made so much beautifully. I must become God. Why can't I be God? I am number two in power. Why shouldn't I be number one? Like that, that bad desire came in him, and he wanted to kill God. Actually, it is a good desire only, being number one, okay. But that killing God is there, no, that was really a bad idea. And so he planned to kill God. Okay, and God read his mind, and God came to know his thoughts. He was thinking so much bad. His thoughts were so much bad. His thought was killing God himself, who created him. He's like fighting against his own dad, who gave him birth. Like that, God came to know what he was thinking. Because he is God, he can read your mind. He can enter inside you and read your thoughts and understand what you are thinking. So God comes to know what he is thinking. His thoughts are very bad. God comes to know, like the angel he created only is thinking so much bad about him, wanting to kill God who created him. It's like a robot trying to fight against the professor who created him, something like that. So God felt very sad. I only created this angel and he's trying to kill me. This is very sad, man. I really made a big mistake of creating angels. Like that, God got very sad, because God came to know what he was thinking. He was so much bad. Then God talks with Lucifer. Hey, my dear angel, I know what you are thinking. You want to kill me, no? Like that. God told what and all his bad thoughts were inside his mind. Directly God told him face to face, and that really hurt him very bad. How the hell did God come to know all my bad thoughts, that I wanted to kill God and be God myself? I wanted to be number one. I wanted to climb that mountain and sit on the throne of God and be God myself and rule everything under my power. How the hell did God come to know that I wanted to kill him? And then God says, and then instead of asking, sorry dad, sorry God, I shouldn't have fought again, I shouldn't have thought bad things against you, I'm really sorry God, please forgive me. Instead of asking sorry to God, he went on fighting with God. Yes God, I will kill you and be God myself. I am number 2. I want to be number 1. I am the most beautifulest, most powerfulest than all the other angels. But I want to be more powerful than you. I want to be God myself. I want to be number 1 in this universe. I want to be God myself. Like that, he kept on fighting God and kept on hitting God. And then God sends other 2 team of his angels who were under his control. He told Michael and Gabriel, his 2 army commanders, to fight against Lucifer's team. Like that, this 2 team of angels, they fight against the other team of angels. Lucifer and his team of angels, they will fight against those 2 teams and against God. Lucifer kept on fighting. He was so much arrogant, so much pride, that I am only great, I am only number 1. I will fuck God, I will kill God, I will kick God, I will kill God. I will only be God myself. I will sit on the throne of God. I will rule the heavens. Like that, he wanted to fuck God and be God himself. That much mindset, bad mindset he had. He's like, he is only number 1. That ego, pride he had, that I am only number 1. And he led this team of angels who were under his control. Lucifer was actually captain of one team of angel, you know that, out of the 3 team of angels. So this 1 team of angel will fight against the other 2 team of angels. So the other 2 team of angels was led by Michael and Gabriel. So these 2 team of angels will fight against Lucifer's team. And then there was a great fight in heaven, okay? This 1 team of angels fighting against those 2 team of angels. In that great war, this earth got destroyed actually, completely. Everything got destroyed, the entire nature, entire creation. Full, it was a great war that happened here only. At that time, earth and heaven were one actually. So this earth got fully destroyed. That beautiful nature, ground, trees, sky, all got destroyed. Peace, all the stars, everything got destroyed. So like this 1 team of angels which was controlled by Lucifer, and the other 2 team of angels which was led by Michael and Gabriel, they fight, okay? This 1 team of angels fighting against the other 2 team of angels. Those 2 team of angels fought for God, and this 1 team of angels fought against God. They fought for Lucifer. And so like this, then Michael, with the power of God, he somehow defeats this Lucifer's team. And then those 2 team of angels will defeat this 1 team of angel, and then they will kick them out of heaven, okay? So when they'll kick them out of heaven, then these bad angels, they will become the devil's demons, and they are the reason why we are facing all the bad things in our life right now. So they are still alive, okay? So Lucifer and his angels, they are the actually bad angels, bad devils, who are kicked out of heaven. So Michael then, out by the power of God, somehow he defeats Lucifer and his team of angels, and then he kicks them out of heaven, and they are out of heaven right now, and they will fall into hell, and God will make a separate place for them. Like hell, God will make, where there will be ocean of fire. They'll have to keep on burning there forever and forever. So like that, this Lucifer team will be kicked out of heaven. Michael, by the power of God,